The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Jesus told his disciples this parable. The kingdom of heaven will be like 10 virgins who took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom. Five of them were foolish, and 5 were wise. The foolish ones, when taking their lamps, brought no oil with them, but the wise brought flasks of oil with their lamps. Since the bridegroom was long delayed, they all became drowsy and fell asleep. At midnight there was a cry, "Behold, the bridegroom, come out to meet him." Then all those virgins got up and trimmed their lamps. The foolish ones said to the wise, "Give us some of your oil, for our lamps are going out." But the wise ones replied, "No, for there may not be enough for us and you. Go instead to the merchants and buy some for yourselves." While they went off to buy it, the bridegroom came, and those who were ready went into the wedding feast with him. Then the door was locked. Afterwards, the other virgins came and said, "Lord, Lord, open the door for us." But he said in reply, "Amen, I say to you, I do not know you. Therefore stay awake, for you know neither the day nor the hour." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. The foolish ones, when taking their lamps, brought no oil with them, but the wise brought a flask of oil with their lamps. Brothers and sisters, ang isang, siguro nakakita na kayo ng sundalo, no? Yung nasa AFP, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Nung na makakita kayo ng sundalo na walang tinatawag na reserve. Sabihin, kung naa siyang Armalite o baril, no, nariyan nating parating reserve para in case na maubusan ng bala, merong pampalit. Di po ba? And the same thing with our everyday life, no? I remember yung estudyante pa ako, no? Especially sa elementary, no? Ug high school, no? Hindi lang isa yung ballpen ko. Mayroon din akong 2 pa, no? Bakit? Kinahanglan 3 o 3. Kasi instead na mawalan ng tinta yung isang ballpen, at least nakakapang another ballpen na magamit as reserve. No? At alam nyo, importante sa atin na mayroon tayong reserve even to our spiritual life. No? Pero alam nyo, merong 2 o 2, no, meaning ang reserve. One is good and the other is bad. No? Anong gusto niyong unahin ko? Yung good o yung bad? Unahin natin yung bad. No? Yung bad ay yung mga nagre-reserve ng galit, hinanakit, sama ng loob, ayan, pride, inggit, ayan, kayabangan, bisyo, ayan, no? Marami sa atin. We have many reserve in our life. No? Takot, no? Kaulawan, tama ba? No? Pagkaulaw, hiyain, no? We are very reserved. No? Daghan tayong nire-reserve sa atong kinabuhi, sa ating life. No? And this reserve will not help us to grow in our spiritual. And hindi tayo makakapasok sa langit kung naa tayong mga ganitong reserve. No? Hindi pagpapatawad. No? So, we need to take that out from our life. Kaya nga meron sacrament of confession, pagkukumpisal. Para lisin natin yung mga reserve na yan sa atong kalag, sa atong kinabuhi. No? Unless we take out this reserve from our life, we cannot grow in our spiritual life and we cannot enter into heaven. Baka pagbayaran pa natin yan sa purgatorio, yung mga reserve na yan. No? Kaya nga alam nyo, importante, matanong ko kayo, nakapag-retreat na ba kayo? Did you ever make annual retreat? No? O kung ano man, did you have or participate recollection? No? Day of recollection. Kaya nga yung aming mga meme and toffee, we have monthly recollection. Anong ibig sabihin ng recollection o retreat? Ibig sabihin, you enter into yourself. Maghuna-huna ka sa imong kinabuhi. Ano ba yung mga basura na na-reserve sa akong kasing-kasing? Oh? Is it good or is it bad? No? So kailangan, kinahanglan yung retreat. Kinahanglan yung recollection. No? Recently nga lang, no? I was happy because of the good and positive na ng YFI Bukidnon retreat, no, last Sunday and Monday, no? We were able to recollect, retreat, no? Remember when no? Kaya importante yan, brothers and sisters. I suggest to you, bago matapos ang taon, no? Kay Linggo, Domingo, Berna, September na, no? Sa magpapasko na naman, no? I suggest you make a retreat or a recollection. Kung hindi nyo kaya yung retreat, kasi yung retreat usually 2-3 days, no? Ang recollection, kahit 1 day lang, you can make a recollection, no? Be in your room, no gadget, no cellphone, no Wi-Fi. Just pray or go to the church, read the life of the saint, read the Bible. That's the recollection, no? And then make an examination of conscience, no? Adoration, that's a recollection for a day, no? Kasi kinahanglan alisin natin yung mga reserve, negative reserve sa atong kinabuhi. And secondly, ito, yung good reserve. Ano yung good reserve, Father? Yun yung we must not settle for less. Or yung tinatawag na normal. Ano yung sabi mo, Father? Gawin mo kaming abnormal? Hindi. No, that's not it. Ibig sabihin, no? If you are in the spiritual life, kung nagro-rosaryo ka, example, magandang example. Kung nagro-rosaryo ka, usa kadlaw, no? Ibig sabihin, isang beses sa isang araw, no? Why make it 2? And then, if you're already accustomed to 2, 3, 4, and more, no? Pray more. No? Have a reserve for your faith and also with regards to charity, for the virtue. No? Do not settle for less. No? Sabi nga ni Saint Maximilian, aim higher. No? Always do more for God. No? Kasi, why? Kapag ikaw, you do more, you have a reserve in case of difficulties. Ayun ang nangyayari sa atin. No? Dahil we are content with the standard or normal, ay, okay naman, nagsisimba naman ako kada Domingo. Ay, nagdadasal naman ako Bago matulog, yung madalas, no? Tinatanong ko, sis, brother, ilang oras ka nagdadasal? No? At alam niyo sagot sa akin, no? Ay, nag-aampo lang po ako bago matulog. See? So, ibig mong sabihin, from the moment you arise, no? Paggising mo sa umaga, hangtod sa hapunan, panihapon, hindi ka nagdadasal. Nagdadasal ka lang bago. And baka nga, minsan, nagsa-sign of the cross ka na lang. No? Para magdasal. And see, if that is our way of life, no? We will like just the foolish virgin. No? Yung mga foolish virgin, na silang lamp. No? Katulad ng mga maraming Katoliko, no? Katoliko ako. No? Nagsisimba ako. No? Nangungumpisal ako. No? Pero, at some point, no? Tinatamad ka na. No? Kasi yun alam yung tendency ng nature ng tao, if you settle for the standard, no, parang gravity, you will go less and less and less. But if you do more, aim higher, no? Hindi, no? Kailangan makapagdasal pa ako ng kailangan, hindi lang ako makontento ng magmisa ng linggo, magmisa rin ako ng weekdays, para nang sa ganoon matanggap ko si Jesus. And you know, no, this I will tell you personally, if you receive Jesus every day in the tongue, mawawala yung pagmumura. No? Di ba? That is my experience, no? If you receive Jesus in the tongue every day, your tongue will be sanctified, no? Hindi ka na magmumura at magiging aware ka na sa mga tinatawag na bad words. No? Yan ang problema sa atin, kita mo. No? Kaya kung may kakilala kayong mga nagmumura, sabihin niyo, magmisa ka araw-araw. Magkomunyon ka sa tang. No? Kasi mawala yung iyong pagsasabi ng bad words. No? And this, my brothers and sisters, is what we need. No? Doing more so that we may have a reserve of faith and charity in our lives. Para pag dumating yung mga pagsubok, no, hindi tayo panghinaan. Kasi may reserve tayo. No? Mahirap, no? Kapag dumating yun, wala. Wala ka na nga. Kulang na nga. Ayun. No? Kaya kita mo, no? Nakakalungkot, pero aaminin ko na sa inyo, no? May mga nalaman ako, no? Na yung iba, nagsisimba, pero tingnan mo, at the end, naghikog, nag-suicide. No? Merong ganyan, no? Merong case na ganyan doon sa Bicol. No? Nanay niya, nagsiserve sa parish, sa parokya. Sisimba. Then, one day, ayun, nalaman na lang nila, nagpakamatay na doon sa banyo. No? At alam nyo, nung sinita ko yung banyo, napakaliit. Mas malaki pa nga yung CR natin dito. Pero paano siya nagpakamatay? Alam nyo yung ginawa niya? Tumuntong siya. Lumuhod siya. Yung sa may bowl, no? Giano niya yung lubid o lumuhod siya. Tumalon siya na nakaluhod. Siyempre, kahit gaano-kaano yun, no? Mamamatay ka talaga. No? And he was, of course, no? Suffocated, dahil, nakita nila, yun na, wala nang buhay doon sa banyo. No? Kaya nga, mga brothers and sisters, aim higher. No? No? Receive the advice and counsel of the saint. Do more. No? So, brothers and sisters, as we continue this Holy Mass, let us remember these two reserves. The first Those bad reserve to be taken out and at least make a retreat or recollection. And secondly, to have a good reserve in our life. Do more, pray more, help more, so that when time will come, you have something to have to overcome every temptation and sufferings and problems in your life. Praise be Jesus and Mary.